Hey guys, today let's learn how to use AI image generation on Canva. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the new AI image generator on the Canva application in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Canva application. And then what I want you to do is to go ahead and just launch your preferred template that you guys would like to go ahead and use. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use this sample template to use for this specific example. And I want to go ahead and tap on this cube box option over here, and that's going to show us the pages. But what I want to specifically do is select this specific page, and I want to go ahead and basically tap on this plus icon. Now what that is going to show us is, of course, these options. And what I want to do is to choose the option to add our own AI image generated photo. So we can tap on photos over here, and that's going to show us, of course, these different photos that we could choose from. And we could actually go ahead and tap on draw as well. Some apps over here. You could actually choose your apps if you have some apps, or if you have some other apps that you would like to get from, you could also do that as well. But one of the best AI image generations application that we could actually use on here is something called Mojo AI. So let's go ahead and tap on Mojo AI. And as you see, we have this is an AI art and QR art generator. Tap on open, and that's automatically going to be linked to your Canva application. Once this is done, you can actually now proceed with using this over on Canva and creating your own image generated using AI on Canva. So from here, all we need to do is just type in the prompt or our ideas. So let's say we want a bike on a mountain, tap on done. And let's choose vision art, and let's tap on just create masterpiece. But in this case, we do need to go ahead and choose our art style first, and choose your aspect ratio next, and we need to go ahead and register first to get 75 credits to create this specific AI art. All we need to do is just tap on register and go ahead and enter your details, connect with your specific account. But essentially, that's what you guys need to know in order for you guys to use the AI image generator option on Canva. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.